Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. What's going on, y'all? Whoops, these are not charts. What are we looking at? We got a couple setups we're looking at. We're going to break it down in a little bit. Make sure to go ahead and like the live as you'll hop up in here. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at 2,900 subscribers. We can get to that easily. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's Monday. Like I said, we got a bunch of holidays about to pop up. So we're going to be looking for setups today. May or may not trade tomorrow. I'll let y'all know. But we're definitely obviously not going to be trading Wednesday or Thursday. We might see what Friday's talking about. But as we look right here, y'all, and I never traded around this time. There might be some move, but it's going to be super slow volume. So it just depends on how today goes. And of course, I'm looking at the charts Thursday, see what it looks like, how Thursday played out, and then we might trade on Friday. We'll see, right? But worst come to worst, we'll most likely be back next year after New Year's and all that stuff. Be back at it on the 2nd. That's how it was earlier. That's how it was this year, if I'm not mistaken. Like we just go back, we just track on a week by week, month by month basis. 13-1, 14-2, 16-5. These are recaps of the month. This is how we've done on a monthly basis, by the way. All right, so let's just go back to how it was looking last year at the beginning of the year, or this year, I should say, at the beginning of the year. For a little bit. You already know if you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. With me, charts, drop in the chat. Where is the? I'm trying to find the. I'm gonna just pass the racks. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, 16-4, 15-4, January 20. So yeah, this year we started off on the 2nd as well. So it was like anything like this year, we'll be back to business on the 2nd. But there are a few stuff we're looking at right now. We're looking at possible GU sales, possible gold sales, and GJPYs. Right, with GU, the downtrend went back into play last week, and again, it's still struggling to break past and hold 2,500 as resistance, right? Because last time we had the bearish momentum, we went for sales here, failed to break this level, which caused a reversal. Then last week it went right back down, but failed to break that level and hold again. But we still have bearish momentum. We are still going to be looking for sales. So we're going to be looking, well, this week's a little bit different, but we're going to be looking for this week going into next year for the downtrend to continue as far as GU is concerned. All right, y'all. So with GU, if it can break 25.50 as resistance, we're going to be looking for sales going back down to 25. Also back down to these lows right here at 24.80. Okay, y'all. That's what we're looking at right here. We got a new 15 about to pop up in about 3 minutes. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. I'm looking at your charts. Drop in the chat. and make sure to explore the videos and the playlist. All playlists are up to date. Gonna be dropping the Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum update for y'all today as well, so make sure we're on the lookout for that. Got a trade breakdown dropping for y'all this week also. Of course, some more crypto and altcoin updates. Got a lot of content lined up for y'all. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. Again, y'all, it's Monday. Markets are just waking up, and on top of that, we got a bunch of bank holidays around the corner. So we're just got no choice but to patiently wait for volume or confirmations to be met. Again, GU ain't break this level, so we simply just don't pull the trigger. It's that simple. You know what your game plan is, whether you're looking for buys or sells. You wait for your confirmation. Once your confirmation is met, then you pull the trigger. It's that simple, y'all. It's that simple. Now, we had a great week, though, and a great month, even with it being slow a lot of the time. Let's go ahead and bring that up really quick. Let me pull this out. I was like, what happened to my music? So last week we went 3-1. It was 75% win rate. Only took one loss last week, which is not bad at all. Again, didn't do a Sunday chart analysis this week because, again, we're not trading all this week, so there's no point, in my opinion. But any other week, we dropped the Sunday chart analysis at the beginning of the week, going over what we see price doing, not just Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. And you check that out and then look at how the markets went last week. You'll see a lot of the charts when it's projected. Caught some beautiful moves last week, went 4 the week before that. We won the week before that. And that's pretty much how we were doing so far this month. So we only took 2 losses this month, which is not bad at all. Last month we went 14-1, gives a 93% win rate. Then October went 15-1. So that's how we're doing so far this quarter, y'all. So again, we're wrapping up the year with the bang. And again, it's just very, 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 very simple. It's just sticking to the plan, not breaking the rules, not being greedy or impatient, right? Because again, what I tell the members and students all the time is we do not control the markets. You only control when you enter a trade, when you exit a trade, and how much you risk per trade. So always remember and keep that in mind, because that's going to help you from being in such a rush to jump in a trade or from skipping confirmations and stuff like that. But we're going to see what this next 5 minute looks like, y'all. Damn, it's been a while, but what's going on, TRC up in here? Yeah, we got a couple settings we're looking at right now. Like I was talking about at the beginning of the live stream, one is Monday, so things are still slowly waking up. But two, we got a bunch of holidays today. This week, I should say. So we're going to be on the charts today, and then I'm probably just going to call it a week for the week. Maybe we'll be back on charts Friday, but most likely I'm not going to be on the charts tomorrow. And then definitely Wednesday and Thursday, not going to be on the charts. So just keep that in mind. But I am going to be dropping videos on YouTube as well as Instagram, TikTok all this week as well. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. We're dropping videos over the weekend as well as last week. So make sure to catch up and check out the playlist if you have not already. Again, we're looking at possible GU sales, possible GJ buys, and GN buys. We rode the entire wave up for GN for the past couple weeks. Caught the entire higher high last week, the higher high the week before. It's looking to catch the next one, but we can see here that G is rejecting 2290 as a resistance, and we need that to be held as support for the uptrend to continue. We can see that reflect on a smaller time frame as well. So we're just waiting for one of two things. We're looking for retests back at 2195 to see if it can continue to be held as support, or we're going to wait and see if price can break this resistance level at 2285, 2290 and hold that support. We're looking for buys going back up to the highs at 2365. So that's what we're looking at with GM. And then with GU, we're looking at possible sells. If GU can hold 2550 as resistance, we can look for sells going back down to 2510. All right, y'all. That new 5 minute just popped up. Also keep an eye on GJ, but again, I got alerts on all these. So once price does break and touch these levels, we're gonna be on the charts. We're looking for that next setup. When should we enter? So if you just hopped in here, rewind a couple minutes, but pay attention to what I'm saying, right? So again, like I said, if it can hold 25.50 as resistance, then we can look for sales going down to 25.10. So what I'm saying is, to answer your question, when we should enter if price can break and hold 25.50 as resistance. If price, like it is right now, is not holding it as resistance, we don't pull the trigger, right? So you have to wait for your confirmation. So again, you figure out the game plan, you stick to the game plan. Let me drop a video that's going to help you out. I'm going to drop a video in the chat that's going to help you out. Let me see if I can find it really quick. I mean, to make things easier for you, just go to my profile. I literally have a playlist titled Trade Breakdowns. And let me actually go to the playlist right now so I'm not making anything up. If you just go to my day trading tips playlist or my trade breakdowns playlist, my trade breakdowns playlist got over 70 videos. My day trading tips got over 100 videos of back-to-back-to-back videos breaking down how to read the charts, my trading plan, trading psychology, and then the trade breakdowns playlist is over 100 videos of back-to-back-to-back trade breakdowns that I personally took, as well as called out for the members and students. And I break down from start to finish, different buy setups, different sell setups. So I definitely recommend you check that out because that's going to help you understand what we're doing here. It's going to make things make a lot more sense. But again, you don't want to enter a trade until all your confirmations are met. You want to enter buys off support, sells off resistance. Always, always, always. Those who join the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. But y'all already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. I might have just found another. I might have just found something. Just found another coin. Again, we could just see how prices just consolidating and chilling in place. So we just gotta wait for volume to kick in. Because even if we were to take a trade right now, price is not moving at all. All right, we look at all these charts; they're all just chilling in place right now. New 5 minute about to pop up in a little bit. And yeah, as far as today, there is 8:30 Canadian news. Besides that, there's no high impact news going on. Then tomorrow we got 3 bank holidays. Then we got Japanese high impact news, and then of course that's when all the holidays pop off. We're gonna look into finish catching this wave too. When we was up here previously, That's when the reversal and the downtrend came into play. But now we're about to see if these levels can be held from resistance back to support, so we can go back to catching these buys. But you can just see how, just looking at the past couple weeks, our price will range for hours, if not days at a time, then do a move, then range for another day or two, then do a move, then range for another day or two. So again, that's why it's important to go with the flow of price and to trade off these key price levels. Because when you go with the flow of price, even when there's low volume, you're still going to have the momentum going in your favor. You see what I'm saying? Got a new hour about to pop up in a little bit, y'all. Again, later on today, I'm gonna be dropping a new Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana update for the week. Just dropped the XRP update. I want to say, I think it was Saturday, either Saturday or Friday, can't remember. But I got a few more crypto analysis dropping this week. I also got a few stock analysis dropping and a couple of day trading videos this week dropping as well. So make sure to be on the lookout for those. Again, the crypto Telegram is out and available. You just gotta do 3 things to get access to it. Gotta be subscribed to the YouTube channel, which if you're not subscribed already, I don't know what you're doing. Go ahead and hit that sub button, y'all. Then you got to be following me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all can see the Instagram and TikTok color at the bottom of your screen. Once you do all 3 of those things, just DM me on Instagram. Send me a screenshot of all 3, and then I'll add you to the crypto Telegram. It looks like the markets are starting to wake up a little bit. Back to that level. As long as GU doesn't break past 2600, start holding that support, I'm still gonna look for sales. Why is this showing that there? Why is it showing I got an alert there? I'm gonna move this alert just in case it doesn't retest this level. If it decides to break above, I'll go for a buy there. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We'll get any charts. Drop in the chat. These live streams are for y'all. And again, I like to do these live streams so y'all can see the realistic side of trading, because watch my videos, my trade breakdowns, or these, these 1-minute clips on YouTube or Instagram is very misleading, because a lot of people think you can just open the computer and 5 minutes, 20 minutes be in and out the markets. Now, does that happen sometimes? Yes, but for you think that's going to be a daily thing or a year-round thing, that's just not realistic, because again, you don't control the markets. Everything's going to be different, right? I like to give the fishing analogy. I can go fishing every week, right? Let's say I go fishing every Saturday. And last Saturday, I caught 3 fish. That doesn't mean every Saturday I go fishing, I'm going to catch 3 fish. Or let's say last Saturday, I get my first bite after I threw my line in the water. The only thing I had to do was wait 10 minutes. So if I go every Saturday after that and get upset or think I don't know how to fish anymore just because it took longer than 10 minutes, that's just not how it works. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing with the markets. Your game plan should be the same every day, but you have to understand that the results or the conditions are going to be different. Yes, markets do the same thing every day, go up or go down, but the volume, the trend, news events, holidays, these are all things that affect the markets.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO. Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. Discovery, go and throttle up. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
All right, y'all. We're still gonna be able to charge, but like I said, don't be too shocked or surprised that the markets are slow or dead this week due to all the holidays. All right, y'all. Make sure to have that bell on because I got a new video dropping for y'all during New York session. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to check out all the playlists. All playlists are up to date. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, service or mentorship programs, huge sale is currently going on. Don't ask me how long it's lasting. Just take advantage of it while it is lasting. All right. 25% off literally everything going into 2025. All you got to do is use code MYYEAR, no spaces, all caps, and you'll get 25. You have to do it before purchase, of course. It's just like anything else. Before purchase, before checkout, put the code in, and you'll get 25% off all products. You got questions about all this stuff, watch any of my YouTube videos. The last 2 minutes goes over all the details. But if you got any other details or questions you want me to explain, feel free to DM me. I respond to all messages. But yeah, enjoy y'all's holidays, y'all. I'll let y'all know if we're going to be live tomorrow or not, but most likely not going to go live tomorrow. Going to be on the chart still, though. Still got a few setups we're going to be looking at. I want to take at least one trade today if possible, but of course, I'm not going to force a setup. If my confirmations aren't met, or if I simply don't see anything I like, I'm just not going to take the trade. And that's what y'all should do as well. All right? There's no need to feel like you need to take a trade every day, especially if your confirmations aren't met.